violent typhoon whips at Admiral Halsey's Third Fleet as winds ranging up to 138 miles an hour pound the force as it withdraws from an attack on the Jap homeland. For the second time in less than 6 months, our fleet has been caught in a typhoon common in the China seas. But this time we didn't lose a ship, and only one man was killed. Navy pictures show that these storms proved to be an ally of the Japs, for 21 ships were damaged before they fought their way out of the storm center. The miracle of survival is shown by the Pittsburgh. The typhoon tore up her bow, shown floating there, but she made port. 3 carriers in Admiral Halsey's fleet were also hard hit. Planes were damaged, but most were saved. The bow of the Pittsburgh is salvaged by a Navy tug, and they radioed to Guam, "We have sighted the suburb of Pittsburgh and taken it in tow." With more than 100 feet of her bow missing, the Pittsburgh, thanks to watertight compartments, got home to have her wounds healed before she fights again.